What is going on, guys? Welcome to the light show. This is the 25th anniversary Sienna, and I want to do a walk around of this LED conversion kit that I just did. And from here, let's go ahead and take you on a walk around tour at night of the fully converted, well, not fully converted, but give you guys an update on how the LED versus the incandescent lighting or the stock lighting compares. But this is going to be a full walk around again. Just follow me before the car runs out of battery. So I'm running the lights just for the show. But let us open up this and let us open everything else and just give you a walk around, right? So starting from the left side, you see the front lighting, the LED lighting. It doesn't have projectors, but it's full LED with some daytime running lights. You got your side marker, the parking light, the amber lighting right there. Moving forward, you got right under here, you got some LED projector lights that are aftermarket. Zooming in, we're gonna zoom in. You got LED lighting, and you also got your stock lighting. The interior cabin has been transformed. Let me go ahead and pop the trunk if I could do it right now. I don't know if I can. Yeah, I had to unlock the car first for that to happen. So unlock the car and then pop the trunk from here. All right, so we're gonna walk around. All right, guys, so let's go handheld. Right there, you see the LED projector lights. You probably can't see the puddle lights right here because it's not on. We're gonna walk around. You got your amber side markers, your parking lights. You got your DRLs, you got your LED projectors. I mean your LED lighting, no projectors. All right. And then making our way past here, you see right here some footwell lighting. You got LED puddle lights as well, or from this aftermarket kit. The interior has now been transformed with these LEDs. You can actually see the interior. That's a Softex third row. The Diono seats are popping within this LED light. This is the stock lighting, much more yellowish in tone. Right, you got some footwell lighting as well. The blue matches with the blue. Sienna illumination door sill. You got illumination in the middle here. You got illumination under here. Ambient lighting game is not the best in the Sienna, but we're trying to make it work. LED brake lights, LED tails, LED trunk lighting, hatchback lighting. All right. Definitely does need more lighting, I think, in my opinion. We're gonna lower the hatch. The thing about this is the turn signals are still incandescent, but take a look at these LED tail lights. Now before my lights, my battery goes out, I'm gonna go ahead and just shut everything off and give you guys a look at the interior with everything shut off. All right. And again, I mentioned it in my other video, the dome lights or map lights right above, that's actually the light bulbs are actually soldered into the circuit board. So we definitely, I don't want to mess with that. Hence why it's still stock versus me doing the conversion on the rest of the vehicle. I'm gonna kind of leave that alone. But for now, I think that's about it. All right, that is about it for tonight's video. Very short one, but thank you guys for watching. This is pretty nice too. And as always, see you guys in the next one. Take care.